column width and row height. On a worksheet, you can specify a column width of 0 to 255 and a row height of 0 to 409. This value represents the number of characters that can be displayed in a cell that is formatted with the standard font. The default column width is 8.43 characters and the default row height is 15 points. If a column/row has a width or height 0, it is hidden, that is, it is not visible in the grid. Set column width/row height. To set column width or row height, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the column or row whose width or height you want to change. Step 2. Click on Format command in Cells group from Home tab. Step 3. Choose column width or row height under Cell Size section from the drop-down list. A column width or row height dialog box will appear. Step 4. In the column width or row height box, type the value that you want your column or row to be.
Step 5. Click on OK button to get new row height/column width.
Automatically fit column/row content. To set column width or row height automatically, follow these steps. Click the Select All button. Double-click any boundary between two column/row headings. All columns/rows in the entire worksheet will be changed to the new size.